Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Clayton
and Amanda
are here with Duval Family Outdoors. Before we get started, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. It really helps us out.
And ring that notification bell
so you don't miss another upload. So if you guys haven't already watched, go check out our latest video. It'll be linked either right up here or in that corner. I think it's this corner though. But I was able to take my very first deer on camera. It was an epic hunt. We worked so hard for that deer. And if you guys would go give that a watch, and if you liked it, smash that thumbs up. But today's video, this is kind of an unboxing slash gear drop of our new mobile setup. We hunt on our farm, but it gets really expensive if you go and buy and hang 2 tree stands in every tree you hunt, whenever you have, well, quite a bit of ground to hunt.
Yeah, and camera arms and, you know, safety systems, and it just really adds up. It
gets really expensive, so we decided to hop on the trend and try out saddle hunting. Economically, it made the most sense to be able to do what we're wanting to do. So anyway, we'll get started with our camera arm. This is a Muddy Hunt Hard camera arm. This is the bracket that you mount to the tree. It's got a ratchet strap. And that is the arm. I went ahead and wrapped it with some cloth camo tape. It's got a really nice gel head on top. It's a little stiff right now, but I'm sure it'll break in as we get going. But we're really excited to start using that. The climbing sticks we're going to use are the Hawk Helium. They're the 2-step 4-pack. We don't plan on hunting anything over 15 foot up in the air. I don't really like heights anyway, so it's a little scary. But anyway, we'll go ahead and unbox. We went with the Tethrd Phantom saddles. I've watched a ton of YouTube videos on saddle hunting and where to start, and I felt like Tethrd had the best beginner, or the best package, a really good quality saddle. So in the box we've got our instructions. I don't need to read that.
Yes, you do.
Oh,
that's mine.
That's mine. You have your own. You have your own. We got quite a few stickers. That we are both sticker fanatics. We've got stickers on everything. We've got a Yeti 45 quart that is just, there's no room for stickers left on it. But anyway, we got 2 cis haulers each. That was the most recommended add-on that you get, is the cis haulers. I'll go ahead and take one out of the package. Yeah. It uses their little buckle system and just clips right into your tree saddle. Awesome. Okay, and
we went with the olive color.
Yes. This is the Lyman Rope. This is the rope that you are going to use to climb the tree. It clips onto 2 loops around your waist, and you go around the tree. And yeah, we'll show you guys all this stuff in use towards the end of this video, after we get this unboxing done. The next one she has in her hand, this is your tree tether. I will say, their packaging is awesome.
This is the Lyman.
Yeah. This is really nice, high quality packaging, wouldn't you say?
Oh yeah, I mean, everything so far has been, you know, I mean, as much as you spend on the equipment, you want it to come in good packaging, and so far everything looks, you know, really high quality.
Yeah, really professional. The ropes are really good quality. This is your tree tether, so this is going to go...
Well, shouldn't they take this system from like rock climbing?
Yeah,
Yeah, so I mean, the system is derived from rock climbers, so.
Right. So this is your tree tether. This is what goes around the tree that you clip into once you're at the height and on your platform.
That's another tether.
This is one thing that I was told that you're gonna want, especially as a bigger guy. It's the MVP. This is their back system. I have a lot of lower back pain from being stupid when I was younger. But I went ahead and got us both the exact same setup, so we should.
Okay, so I got the regular and he got the XL.
Yes. Let's see. These are the saddles. You want to go ahead and open yours up?
Yeah. Are these the same size?
Yes.
Okay.
They're both, so we went ahead and both got the Phantom XL. I've done every video that I've watched and every deal that I've read so far said, even if you're smaller, the Phantom XL fits smaller hunters and it's even more comfortable than the original Phantom. So, which Tethrd, the guys from Tethrd even came out and said that. So that's why I was comfortable with getting her an XL as well. And I want her, since she's out hunting with me now, I want her to be as comfortable as possible. Right, honey?
Yes, because what's the saying?
If the wife ain't happy, ain't nobody happy.
That's right. Don't you forget it.
But these are the saddles.
So this is the buckle. It's kind of like at an airplane where you got this little clicky thing and then it comes out. So you have to insert that and then it clicks in.
Go ahead and one of their newest designs.
I mean, this goes all the way around, so like you're not having to readjust every time you tighten because this is like a, you know, it comes around. I've got it too tight now. It won't do it. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah.
So that's the saddles, and then the last thing in here are the Predator XL platforms. We went ahead, I mean, we're not as worried about the weight because we're not packing in, you know, 2 miles into public land. We are still hunting our own private property, so we can drive, you know, however close we want. With that being said, I tend to park at least 500-600 yards away from where I'm going to be hunting at. It has an adjustment screw to adjust your angle once you get the platform set.
So if the tree, you know, bows or whatever.
But I definitely like the size of the XL platform. It gives you plenty of room for your feet, whether you're sitting, leaning. I mean, most tree stands you're going to have about, most hang-on tree stands, especially the mobile ones, you're going to have about this much room for your feet anyway. So it's not much different. And this is really lightweight.
Oh, wow. I thought that was going to be way heavier. No, that's like what, 3 pounds?
Yeah.
If that?
If that.
I mean, and it feels really sturdy, you know, like definitely safe looking.
But this is the package that came in. That is a really cool package.
Yeah, I mean, it's like A++ on the packaging and the way it came. And I mean, the system isn't cheap. I'm not gonna.
No, we're not. I've said this before. We are not sponsored by anybody. We're not affiliated with anyone. We paid for all of this out of our pocket. We've been blessed to have good jobs where we can afford to do something like this.
Yeah. And you've definitely done the research to find the best system for us in our scenario. So I definitely recommend that, you know, before you go out, you know, research it and find out what's best for you and your scenario and what you're comfortable with. Like the back strap, you know, we wanted to do that for our own, you know, really being comfortable and not straining trying to hunt.
But, so that is the unboxing. We're going to get the platform put together and I think we're ready to start. I mean, we're not going to climb in this video, But we'll set the platform on a tree and kind of we'll hook up with our tether and kind of show you guys everything, because we are still new to this. This is the first time either one of us will be in a saddle, so
yeah, definitely safety first, and
yes,
you know, whatever's comfortable. You know, we're probably only going to go a couple feet up first, and
right, just to get used to it. Obviously, we're not going to unbox all this stuff, get it ready to go, and then go hunt tonight.
No.
Besides, it's too hot here in Oklahoma.
And really windy, and we have big storms coming in tonight, so.
Yeah. But anyway, you guys stay tuned, and we're going to go find a tree to climb. There we go.
We had to have some bull commentary.
Yeah, I see why guys like this.
Do you feel comfortable?
Yeah, like there's no pinch points.
Yeah, you don't even have your back deal on.
No, I mean, honestly, I could probably hunt like this.
Yeah.
Then to adjust to come out more. So I'm sitting down now. That's a little too much. There we go. Your Prusik knot is really good. You feel like this. I've even seen guys dangle their feet. I mean, you could tell I'm a bigger guy, and I can sit here and just do this. And then now we're back to leaning. But I would say for me, I definitely need to take my tree tether up more. But I mean, this is actually really comfortable.
Yeah, I like that right there.
Yeah.
Keep that hooked in, and I can just flip it around.
You feel steady though. Like you don't feel like you're gonna fall out.
No, it's just like a mental thing.
It is.
I mean, I know I'm not that far off the ground, and those
right, that helps a lot.
Those acorns would really hurt if I fell on them, but
yeah. But I mean, you see her feet were completely off the platform. You basically fell.
I'm glad we went with the bigger platform.
Yes.
Because I mean, you can, like, I feel like you can stretch if you need to.
What do you think?
I like it.
You think this is gonna work?
I think so too.
So that is kind of our initial thoughts. Are I completely get why a lot of people have been jumping on the saddle hunting bandwagon. It's really comfortable. It's super lightweight. You can wear this into the woods. I definitely am glad we went with the XL platform. I mean, if you're worried about weight and you don't mind having a small platform, then go with the regular Predator platform. But if you don't mind an extra pound, I think, is what the weight difference is between the regular and the XL. Maybe 2 pounds, but it doesn't weigh much at all. So I'm really happy with the XL platform. The XL, obviously this fits me probably about how a regular Phantom fits someone smaller than me. But for you
Yeah, and I'm glad.
That is really comfortable.
Yeah, it is.
And like obviously I wasn't in the saddle for very long, but I wasn't developing any pinch points. It was very comfortable. I had full mobility. I felt safe. That's the biggest thing, is I felt safe. What about you?
I felt safe.
But anyway, that's gonna do it for the unboxing and kind of initial. We're diving into mobile hunting. We're kind of, like I said, we're a little different because we hunt private property. We hunt on our own farm. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless each and every one of you. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.